Folks, pretty significant change in air mass moving over the valley tonight. That warm, humid air that was here being pushed out by a cooler, drier air mass coming in from the north where they clash. That's where a cold front is, and it is raining in parts of the valley. Other parts are going, huh, what rain? You see the lightning from here, but that's about it. This is what it looks like. Let's go in a little bit closer and we can show you how the rain stretches now from Brownsville back to about Rio Hondo, pushing southward, and then you stretch it all the way back to about 281 or I-69C. As the discussion was earlier today, the strongest storms expected to be east of 69C, and boy, oh boy, has that happened. Once you get west of McAllen, there's been nothing tonight. A couple little showers early, but that's about it. Let's go a little closer. Now it's raining from basically Port Isabel all the way down the highway into Brownsville, into Matamoros, then back up into Los Fresnos, into Harlingen, Los Indios, getting some rain. But Harlingen, you're on the backside. It's tapering off now, as it is in La Feria, Mercedes, Weslaco. We're just about done here. If you're up on 107, it's done. You could see a brief shower, but the big stuff is all pushing to the south, and the lightning is pushing south. The white is recent strikes. The yellow means they were at least 15 minutes ago, so you can see it's all kind of fading away. But look west of Mission. Nothing. That's it. Didn't get anything at all out of this front. Go a little bit wider, and we do the lightning tracker on this, and we can show you that in the last 10 minutes, 244 strikes. Earlier, when this stuff was up in Willacy and Kennedy County, we were looking at about 500 in 10 minutes. So it's really weakening as it moves south, but still rained pretty hard, at least in parts of the valley. Here's what Doppler radar suggests fell in terms of how much rain. Kind of a bullseye right near Santa Monica there, 2.4, 2.5. Down near San Perlito, 1.7. Up around Combs, 1.3. Not far from Weslaco, 9/10 of an inch, and on the beach, about an inch. Temperatures beginning to cool off, down to 64 in Edinburgh, 69 McAllen, 68 Weslaco, even Brownsville now. The rain has started. It's dropped to 69. We showed you the winds at the beginning of the newscast, gusting to over 30 miles an hour. Now they've died off quite significantly. All the big gusts are right with that front. Tonight we bottom out in the 50s. Tomorrow we climb up a little bit, but not much. We start the day tomorrow at 52. Our high is only 65. Back to 59 by 5 o'clock and 50 degrees by 10. Lows tomorrow night in the 40s. Front pushes on out, takes the rain with it. By morning, leftover clouds, sun takes over, and then sun dominates after that. Looks like we see plenty of sunshine tomorrow, plenty of sunshine on Sunday. Chance of rain returns next Wednesday with the next front, but between now and then, after tonight, I don't think we'll see any rain till at least Wednesday. So we put it together for tonight. Showers and thunderstorms will die in the next hour valley-wide. They'll move to the south. That'll be it. Windy and cooler, a low of 52. Then tomorrow back up to 65. Maybe some clouds early, but then increasing sunshine. Strong winds still in the morning, but they'll die off as the day goes on, 10 to 20 miles an hour. So here we go. Back to 72 on Sunday, 83 on Monday. Then we hold in the 80s until Wednesday. Next front comes in, could trigger a thunderstorm, and then a little bit cooler for Thanksgiving. Right now we're looking at 77 and maybe an isolated shower. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.